Hey there, fellow bloggers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Blogger SEO settings. But wait! Did you know that there are secret advanced settings that can skyrocket your blog's traffic?
Wait, what?
Well, get ready to level up your SEO game. Because in this video, I'm spilling all the beans.
Wow!
So, grab your coffee. Smash that like button, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the importance of SEO for your blog. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your blog seen by the right audience. You can check the stats of my test blog, its new blog, and have only 17 posts. Currently I am not active on it, yet it is getting some visitors due to SEO settings. By optimizing your blog for SEO, you increase your chances of ranking high on Google search results. Which means more traffic, more views, and ultimately, more success for your blog.
Nice.
Now, let's dive into the advanced SEO settings for Blogger. First of all, log into your blog and go to the admin panel of your Blogger blog. Then navigate to the settings sections. Next, make sure to optimize your blog post titles and meta descriptions. These are the first things that readers will see on Google search results. So they should be catchy, engaging, and relevant to your content. Include your target keyword in both the title and description for maximum impact. Your blog description must be of 500 characters. I have already written my blog description, so we'll copy and paste it here. These all are my primary and secondary keywords. I use them in my description. Do it same for maximum reach. Click on Save to update changes. Then select your blog language. There are plenty of options. You can select your national or native language if available. I will select UK English and will press Save. Do not post adult, it's against community guidelines. I will make a separate video for this Google measurement ID. Do consider subscribing our channel so you don't miss updates. I already uploaded a video how you can generate and add your custom favicon. This small icon is the favicon of your blog. It make your blog more professional. Check I button or link given in description. You can watch it from there. In privacy section, make sure you have checked visible to search engines so your blog can be live and anyone can search it. In publishing section, blog address is given. This is the URL of our blog. You can also add custom domain by removing this blogspot extension. As this is free blogger series, so I will not add custom domain. You can enhance the security of your website by enabling HTTPS. HTTPS, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, encrypts data transmitted between your blog and your readers, keeping their information safe from unauthorized access or interception. So keep a check on HTTPS redirect. If you want to add another admin or editor, you can grant permission here. You can add admin. You can also send invites to more authors through email. Reader access must be public. Next, how many posts you want to show on main page of the blog. That's how posts will appear if someone pays a visit to your blog. I want to show 10 posts, so we'll type 10 and we'll press save. Next, keep everything as default. In comments section, make sure a tick on embedded in comment location. Next, whom you want to give comment permission. Tick users with Google account and press save. Comment moderation, select according to preference. Email section is your own privacy. You can select according to your priorities. I am going with default settings. Select your time zone. Customize it according to your taste. I will go with default settings. In meta tags section, enable search description. Now add search description of 150 characters. I will copy and paste description of my blog. Click on Save to update changes. Blogger also lets you set up custom redirects for your blog. Say goodbye to those annoying 404 errors and hello to smooth user experience. This is crucial SEO settings, so do not skip the video and watch it carefully. Enable custom robots.txt. Now add custom robot.txt. Copy this text and paste in your blog. Replace the URL with your own blog URL. Link of this text is given in the description. Make sure to replace this URL with your blog URL. Carefully select from HTTPS to Atom and paste your blog URL here. Then click on Save to update changes. There is one more trick up Blogger's sleeve. It's called Custom Header Tags. Enable Custom Robot Header Tags. Click on Home Page Tags. Select all, no ODP and press Save. In Archive, click on No Index, No ODP and press Save. In Post and Page Tags, click on All, No ODP and then press Save. I will cover in separate video how to submit a blog in Google Search Console. You may check in link for the link. Once you fulfilled the monetization criteria and are eligible for it, you can enable custom ads.txt. Then you can paste the custom ads.txt here. In Manage Blog section, you can import your content to another blog. You can also take a backup of your blog. It will help if your blog gets deleted or you want to switch from Blogger to WordPress. And there you have it, the advanced SEO settings for Blogger. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to getting free unlimited traffic from Google in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Blogger tips and tricks.
Nice.